Hi guys, this is Christine again from Mitsubishi, Abad Santos, Manila branch. And for today's video, samahan nyo ako. Ikutan natin itong ating 2026 Mitsubishi Expander GLS and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano-ano ba yung nabago for this unit, magkano yung updated price and promo natin na pwede nyong ma-avail. So stay tuned guys, samahan nyo ako. Iikot ko kayo dito sa ating 2026 Expander GLS. So, start tayo guys sa remote key niya. As you can see, wala namang naging changes when it comes sa remote key. Pero sa unit, malalaman natin kung ano-ano ba yung mga nabago. And sisimulan natin, of course, dito sa unahan ng ating unit. As you can see, kung ano yung LED natin na daytime running lights sa 2025. Same pa rin naman siya, including our headlight. Pero isa sa mga naging changes when it comes to lighting system, yung ating GLS variant is naka-LED na rin. Tapos, nagbago rin yung kanyang front bumper design and even yung front grille natin, guys, iba na rin yung design niya. So, isa pa sa kinaganda ng 2026 Mitsubishi Expander GLS is equipped na rin siya ng 360 camera. So, yes, guys, hindi pa ito yung top of the line natin, pero yung features niya parang nalalapit na rin sa top of the line. Dito naman tayo guys sa side. We still have here 17-inch na alloy rims. So, yung design nagbago na siya compared with the 2025. So, maganda rin naman yung design ng ating mugs ngayon. So, two-tone pa din siya. Nabago lang yung design niya. So, maglalagay ako dito sa taas kung ano yung previous design ng mugs natin. So, from chrome, nagbago na rin yung ating side mirror, naka-body color na siya. So, kapag nilock and unlock natin yung unit, guys, ayan lang siya, pipindutin lang natin. So, door handles natin, guys, body color na rin. Pasok tayo sa loob. Ayan, ito yung loob ng ating unit. And isa pa sa nabago sa 2026, iba na yung design ng kanyang seat material. Tapos, pagdating naman sa steering wheel, we still have here the 3-spoke leather wrap. Pero iba na rin yung design ng ating steering wheel. And including our instrument panel or multi-information display, nagbago na rin yung design niya. So, 8-inch yan na LCD monitor. So, ayan. Then, for the multimedia system, we have here 10-inch na equipped ng Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And isa pa sa nadagdag sa unit na to is naka 360 camera and wireless yung Apple CarPlay and Android Auto natin. Pagdating naman sa air conditioning system, same pa din. Then we also have here 2 ports and 12 volts na power outlet. Transmission natin guys, 4-speed automatic transmission with electronic parking brake and brake auto hold. So same lang din naman siya for the 2025 Mitsubishi Expander. Guys, if you are interested, makapag-avail nitong ating brand new Mitsubishi Expander GLS Automatic, feel free to message me through my social media accounts or i-follow niyo na rin ako sa aking YouTube channel, Facebook account, and TikTok channel. And I'll be happy to assist you. So by the way guys, alam nyo ba kung magkano yung lowest down payment natin for this unit? We are offering for as low as 9,000 all-in down payment for the 2026 Mitsubishi Expander GLS. And yung SRP niya nga pala is 1,259,000 from 1,216,000. So again, if you are interested with our Mitsubishi units, feel free to message me again, Christine Salazar Olimba, sa Facebook Messenger. So ayun lang guys. See you on my next video. Bye!